What's up, YouTube? Mr. Random here checking in, baby. Y'all see today, we on a little Trans Am. So I ordered the windshield. I will put a deposit down on it today. He told me $225 for the windshield, and I had to pay him a $30 deposit. The windshield should be here Friday, gang. So that's why we don't have the roof locked in place. I probably do a little trimming tonight. I also got some pliers locked down right here. You see this notch right there? You lined up pretty close. So we pretty close right here, y'all. We pretty close right there, baby. So I gotta trim these here edges to get it nice and flush and pretty, baby. Now, if y'all ain't seen SS Gang getting it on over there, y'all go holler at my dog SS Gang, you hear me? But today's video is about me and what I'm doing with the Trans Am. Y'all see, all this shit was rotten. I don't want to even tell you about that. This is what I'm here to tell you about. The suspension that we didn't remove. I got to order all new suspension, gang. This shit been sitting outside for 30 years, you hear me? For 30 years. So I'm definitely not about to run that, man. I'm not about to run that like that. That ain't how I operate. I got to pull these here motor mounts off of there. I started welding up this side right here. And I need to weld up this side over here. I'm trying to get everything accessible. And I need to put on lower control arms on. Because they're not staying on there neither, gang. They ain't staying on there. So I got to get rid of all that, man. And I'm going to do that tonight. That's right. Tonight, gang. That's right, baby. Tonight. I got to do that tonight. And I'm going to cut this here off of that tonight. But before I can do anything else, gang, let me show you something, baby. Y'all know old Random went with that Intellectronics in a Montecarlo, huh? Huh? You remember that? I went with that Intellectronic. That's right, the cheap one. That they don't like. They can't wire it up. They not electricians. Huh? So I done hooked the electronics up. Y'all see, we done got the old water out of there, y'all. We got the old water. Ain't no more water up in there. But it get water up in there. It get water up in there, baby. I'm about to show y'all something. Don't worry about what the people say, man. Say, man. You see this here, man? You see this here? You see this here? Y'all see that there? Hey, look, man. Y'all see this here? Y'all see this right here? Huh? You see that? That's the original gauge cluster out the Montecarlo. I told y'all. I kept telling y'all if y'all wanted, holler at me. I was trying to sell it to you for the low. But guess what? Guess what, man? Mr. Jeremy about to come get it now, baby. He ought to be texting Random in a little bit. Look how I took all my little bulbs out of there. Because we're going to put them in the cup up under the kick panel, now. Huh? Talk to me. I got to go sell it. I got to get the Random about to get $300 for this game. Y'all see all the motors sitting around? You make money off that now. You can get a 6.0 for Random. Let me $1,000, baby. Whoa, yay. Flat top piston, 243 head, ready to go. High compression now. We about to get over 3 for that right there. You hear me? That was just sitting in a Random garage, so that's gonna give me some more money back for my Intellectronics that I got up in this old raggedy Montecarlo. Yeah, she raggedy. She raggedy. Man, that's bullshit, man. Random done messed up the dash. Random done painted the car itself. That car don't even look good. He got rust bubbles on it. The body work ain't done. You're damn right. Ain't none of that shit done. Random got a raggedy ass SS truck. He ain't gonna never get it painted, y'all. He ain't gonna never get it painted. And he ain't gonna put that Trans Am on the road neither. He ain't gonna never put that Trans Am on the road. That shit a rust bucket. And he don't know how to do that shit right. He got holes that he ain't even repair. All up in the passenger, in the driver's side front float that he's skipping over. He ain't showing y'all everything. He's just showing y'all what he want to show you. See that? See? You see how random do the people, huh? I'm waiting on a phone call right now. Mr. Randall waiting on a phone call, gang. That's right. That's right, baby. Nah. I see your SS over there. He about got his mind and color started. Cortez said he tired, gang. He tired. He don't want to do no more. And I warned them niggas. I warned y'all. Do not drink. Do not drink. Come on now, TTM, talk to me. I told y'all, do not drink and get the goddamn job done. That's all I said, man. I was looking out for you. But oh no, I'm the bad guy. Now you want to fight over random, huh? Well, I got something for you to fight, nigga. Fight getting that shit off of there. And fight getting this shit car on the road. And fight wiping your ass. Right here, baby. Fight wiping that ass because you're full of shit. All y'all is full of goddamn shit. You hear me? Wipe your ass. You gotta know how to. You gotta know how to. You gotta know how to wrap it up. Sometimes you gotta know how to wrap it up and wipe your ass. You got to get that good clean ass like who else want, huh? You gotta wipe your ass, baby. Y'all talk to me. Talk to me. Yes, sir. Y'all see black truck. Dreadhead. Yes, sir. You come and get it, baby. Old LsSwap, huh? Talk to me. 300. What's up, gang? I just put the old Max up in the truck and help my wife clean them off right quick. But in the process of doing that, see, I had to get it right, gang. Oh yeah, that's right, baby. Oh yeah, huh? I had to get it right. I had to get it right now. I had to get it right, and a package came now. A package then came, huh? Oh yeah, baby. A package then came now. Now see that, huh? Talk to me. Talk to me. A package then came, baby. So y'all already know what's on with that now, baby. Huh? I got to get, Orlando got to get the dual exhaust now, baby. Huh? You think we gonna keep riding around with a stock cross number? Oh no, no sir. No sir, huh? We got to get rid of the stocking and get the exhaust from hanging, baby. So we can be nice and pretty situation now, huh, honeys? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do a little bit more tweaking. Don't need to do it for you. As you can see, random. I'm trying to keep it real with you now, baby. I'm trying to keep it real. Random still getting a little water up in that gang. Y'all see what dead looking like that, huh? Still getting a little water up in that. Look, you got a little bit right here for the fishy. A little for the fishy, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See? I got to get him right, baby. I got to get him right, gang. So random now. Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. Y'all wanna see that random, huh? You wanna see that cross member get on that, nah, baby? Y'all talk to me now. Look, somebody done stole my goddamn emblem. I'm gonna have to get another one. I need my center caps. I need a lot, man. I need a lot, man. My LsSwap. My LsSwap. She ain't looking too good, but she running. She running. Y'all niggas can't even get a motor started, man. Y'all niggas can't even get a motor started, see? Really Rebuild told y'all stop buying that cheap shit. You don't want to bring your car to Really Rebuild, baby. You can't get it running now, see? See? You can't get your shit running because you want to be cheap. You want to mess with a nigga who don't know what they doing, or either you want to buy an Amazon computer. Niggas buying Amazon computers out here. Come on now, talk to me. Talk to me, y'all niggas getting Amazon harnesses and computers out here. Wow, that's how we doing things now? Huh? That's really how we gonna do things, huh? Y'all talk to me, man. Talk to me, baby. Talk to me. She ready to hit the road. Don't worry about that stretch right there, cause all this shit temporary, man. I'm trying to tell you now, man. See that line there cracking up, man. My line cracking up, baby. I got to get that nice and pretty. I got to get that nice and pretty, baby. Come on now, see this one here? You see this one right there, Ned? Huh? After me. It big take you across the nation. See? Yeah, you see how so hard pulling up on him, huh? Also hard pulling up on y'all, and he did this shit himself. See, that's one thing you gotta do. You gotta believe in yourself, man. You can do anything you want to do. Don't rely on another nigga. You got to believe in yourself. See, you can't do it. You talk all that shit, but it ain't in you, nigga. Be quiet. Be quiet. Silence is golden. Sometimes it's just best to keep your mouth closed. You done bit off more than you can chew. Is what you're pretty much saying. So we're gonna go back to this here toilet paper. Cause we gonna keep on shitting on y'all niggas, huh? Fuck with me. Fuck with old random, and we gonna keep on shitting on y'all ass. Talk to me. Like this fucking toilet paper, nigga. Go wipe your dirty ass. We gonna about to shit. Fuck that.